Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the two ways to clear RAM on any iPhone. Now for the first method, just swipe up and hold from the bottom center of the screen and open the recent apps section. Now to clear the RAM, just swipe up and remove the apps from the recent apps section. Now this method is only good when you have a few apps opened in the background. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then go to Accessibility and tap on Touch. From here, just tap on Assistive Touch and enable Assistive Touch from here. Now, once you enable Assistive Touch, just go to your home screen. Now, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. And press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off screen on your iPhone. Now, on this screen, just tap on the Assistive button, then tap and hold on the Home button. Now, after you do that, you will clear the RAM on your iPhone. Now, to check if we have successfully cleared the RAM on our iPhone, just swipe up from the bottom center and open the recent apps section. Now, to check if we have cleared the RAM, the apps should refresh if we open them from the recent apps section. As you can see, the apps are refreshing as we open them. Now, if the second method did not clear the RAM on your iPhone, just open Settings, then go to General. From here, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. And from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now, once you reset all the settings on your iPhone, the second method should work on your iPhone. And these were the two ways to clear the RAM on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.